Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to another Canteen cup cooking. What I'm going to be doing is something I found at Hagen Foods. It's risotto. Never had this before. Lundberg brand, gluten-free, sustainable, traditional Italian risotto. Creamy Parmesan. I don't know if you've ever had risotto, but it's freaking delicious. Where's my Canteen? Of course, Canteen always at the bottom. It's like a rule. Everything must settle to the bottom, and there we go. So, I got my olive oil. The directions said to saute in olive oil. I got my bandana for the handle. My Pathfinder Canteen cup with lid. Camera batteries, which don't taste very good. The Uko Spork. And I'm going to add chicken. This is applewood flavor. Applewood smoked. That should be good. No one might go through video of the... And then what else I got in here? I think that's it. Oh, I forgot I had that. Oh yeah, and I brought my spice kit just because. Thought, why not? And where is the other item? You're not it. Oh. Oh. Measuring cup. So let's get this on the fire and get things cooking. Alright. So here's the rice. You don't get very much, but directions say to add half a tablespoon of olive oil. I've got a container right here, which I had olive oil. This thing's been leaking on me. I don't know why. It's got a seal in there. So half a tablespoon. Close enough. That and saute the rice. Oh, I brought my tenacious set, and I usually bring my outdoor knife. That's interesting. Put that in the box. So directions say to add 2 quarts, in a 2-quart saucepan, or Canteen in this case, half a tablespoon olive oil, saute over medium heat for 2 minutes, then add 2½ cups of water, hence the measuring cup, and then stir well, bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 20 minutes. Stirring occasionally until rice is tender. Garnish with Parmesan, which I wish I'd brought and I didn't. So, very easy to make. So when that gets frying up, or sauteing, then I'll bring it back with the water, and we'll go from there. Alright, I think it's been about 2 minutes, plus I don't want it to burn, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the rice, the seasoning and the water. So here's half a cup first. Probably a good call adding the water. Cup of water. Spilled a touch of water, but I think a few black specks in the bottom, so throw in the seasoning packet. Alright. Of course, pack out all your garbage. Come on, smoke. Good grief. Why don't you let me stir? What a douche. Okay, I'm just stirring it, working it around so I can make sure everything's not sticking to the bottom. Of course, I don't know if you can see that, but the powder kind of clumped. But hopefully once it gets boiling and cooking, it'll work itself out. There we go. Oh, damn. Frickin' smoke, man. Alright, let's get this guy mixed. Dang it. The first is this fire has to burn your eyes, and then it throws crap in your food. Oh no! Crap! Son of a... Son of a bitch. Lost half my lunch. Damn it. Well, that totally sucks. Well, I'm doing another video. Frickin' half my canteen dumped out. Well, crap. It's probably really good too, which means I'm going to be bummed that I only get to eat half of it. Oh well, what are you going to do? Let's try this risotto, which I dumped half in the fire. So irritated. If it's going to be delicious, I'm going to be mad. Try it without the chicken first. Actually, the rice really isn't quite all the way done yet. Oh, I meant to put it back on because the rice is still a little, I mean, I guess it's edible, but it's a little too al dente. So, fireplace crap. Let's get I added a little hot water. I added a little bit of water to it. I'm gonna add, probably really gonna dilute it, but I'm gonna add a little bit more water so it doesn't boil dry. Okay. Alrighty, so my rice is done. Pulled off the fire. Give it a little quick taste test. I've actually got another project, another cooking thing going, which will be another video. So it's actually looking really good too. Move that back a bit. It's been kind of a challenging day. The fire went up fairly easy. I made it without any cutting tools at all. Cooking has been a interesting venture. Just one of those days when things just, you know, in your head you're like, oh, they'll just go like this and this and this. And then your day is just like, no, it's not going to go. But it's alright. You adapt to the situation. Got my dollar store lemonade I've been sipping on. This is not part of the dollar store because I think I forget how much risotto was. I want to say it was like $2.79, I think. So I got the chicken mixed in there. I didn't lose it all, I think I just lost most of the fluid. I got this chicken stirred in. I didn't worry about heating up the chicken because the rice is going to be hot enough to cook the chicken, or heat it up. Oh yeah, already heated. Well, I will say this. It's not bad. And really hot. Woo. Wowzers. Alright, well, let me enjoy this off camera and I'll come back and give you some commentary. So.